In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Lightbox feature in Webflow. This tutorial is packed with all the steps you need to help you create striking visuals for your website using Lightbox, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Webflow's website. If you're not yet a user, don't worry, there's no cost to get started. Simply click on the link for their free plan, and this will take you to the sign up page where you can create an account using either your email and password or by connecting with Google. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to keep your account secure. Once your account is set up, navigate your way to the Webflow tutorial section. This is where the magic begins. On your keyboard, press either Control or Command if you're using a Mac, followed by the letter E. This will allow you to type Lightbox into the search bar. Once you see the Lightbox option, go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll notice a feature called the Lightbox link. This is what you'll be working with to display images on your site. Click the gear icon to open up the settings for the Lightbox. Here, select Choose Image and browse through your library to find the image you wish to feature. It's all about selecting that perfect image to captivate your audience. After choosing your image, you'll have various settings you can adjust. Dive into these and make tweaks according to your preferences. Feel free to experiment with different color combinations to suit your website's aesthetic. It's about finding what looks best to you and aligns with your brand identity. You're encouraged to mix and match colors here. Perhaps consider consistent branding or play around to see what pops. If you find something that works, you can also experiment with further customization to increase the visual impact of your Lightbox presentation. Once satisfied with the look of your Lightbox, take a moment to make any final adjustments. This might include repositioning or highlighting specific areas of the visual to draw more attention. When all is set to your satisfaction, the final step is to publish your creation. Click on the appropriate button to publish your work to your selected domains. Once that's done, you can close out from this section of Webflow, and there you have it. Your Lightbox is now live and ready to showcase stunning images on your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you understand how to effectively use the Lightbox feature in Webflow. Don't forget to explore and have fun while crafting beautiful and engaging web content. Happy designing!